If you want to make truly passive income, anything you see in a YouTube short is going to be irrelevant. For this strategy, you only have to make a few trades and only need a few dollars. So there's no need to know fancy stats or memorize patterns, just sit back and take gains. This is a strategy that I use for my own investments, and it helps me earn over $10,000 annually. Step 1 is opening an account with the broker of your choice. Just go to the home page and click on Open an Account. You want to open an individual account or a custodial account if you're under 18. Just enter your info, and you should be set up. Step 2 is to compile a watch list of ETFs. If you don't know what that is, don't worry, we'll get to that later. For now, just find a list that are doing well. Make sure you do your research. If you want a quick list, I have some of my favorite low-budget ETFs down in the description. The next step is to go through your watch list and find a price that is about average or a little lower for that particular ETF and place a limit order. A limit order purchased a stock at a certain price. When the stock reaches that price, the order will activate and buy the stock. Make sure you have enough money to make the purchase. After the stock is purchased, sit back and relax. You've completed all the steps. Another good way to make passive income with ETFs is dividends. Look for the yield per share, and that's how much you can make per share every year. It's one of the best forms of truly passive income. In ETF, an exchange-traded fund is usually around 100 companies combined into one share. That way, with a small amount of money, you can have a diversified portfolio. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe so I can make more.